Got down in some weeds on all tangled up in the weeds. Dad had to pull him out.
Alright. We're walking down in there and it's flat.
Yeah, she smelled something.
Down here, boy.
You got something going on there.
Get it. Get it, boy.
They got something. They're picking up something there.
Come on, boy.
Let's get them on that tree.
Peaches, go. Peaches. Peaches. Looks like he's over here.
What's that? She won't let go of it?
She won't let go of the smell.
Hey, boy.
Peaches.
Get up the tree.
Peaches. 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 Get it. Get it. Get it.
He doesn't quite get it.
You said there's a tree and it's moving. That looks like Tom.
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Hey. That just leaves that concrete block on it. No.
She always wants to know.
Should we? Might as well.
They're on something there.
We both smelled it.
Yeah, they got something there going on.
Come on, boy. Come on. Can you imagine turning them loose out here?
Oh, Lord.
I don't want to think about that. You'd have a hard time getting hold of them.
What's down there in that hole? Huh? Snake hole?
Keep your nose out there. I don't know what's down there. It might grab you.
Looks like a snake hole.
That's why I don't want them in it.
Come on. Come on, boy.
Might be some kind of rodent or something down there too.
Yeah, true. Oh, come on. Come on. No fighting. No fighting.
Oh, you got something to do, Tom.
Yeah, I'm supposed to get them all.
Have you been on this trail before? Do you know, does it go all the way around?
Yes, it
Yep.
does.
Okay. You can do that. Hi, guys. Are you in?
He doesn't like going down there.
I'm just trying to train him that he can cross wherever I want to go. I'm not gonna There you go. He saw his sister go down there, so he knew it was okay.
I figured that's why I went first.
Yeah.
Hey, you alright, Bones? No, come on. Not many flowers left, huh?
No, that's what I was telling him a couple weeks ago. They got good pictures out here.
There's one real pretty.
Yeah, that one was there last time, remember?
Yeah.
There's another right here.
Yeah, there were a lot more.
Yeah.
I'm not, because I know what follows it.
Yeah. that's okay. Well, for me, it wouldn't be as bad because that's just a short walk through the cold.
That wake you up in the mornings.
Yeah, something like that.
I don't take the cold well anymore. I guess I left my phone in the car.
I got mine.
What are we doing?